Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make special dish for Parsis. The name of the recipe is Patrani Machi. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 6 pieces of pomfret fish, 1 bowl of fresh coconut cut in slices, 1 bowl of mint leaves, 1 bowl of coriander leaves, 7 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger cut in 4 pieces, 4 green chilies cut in half, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Banana leaves are thoroughly washed and pat dried, oil and water. First we will put salt and lemon juice on fish pieces and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now in a mixer jar we will put coconut, coriander leaves, mint, chilies, ginger, garlic, cumin seed, sugar, salt, lemon juice, water and blend it well and make chutney. Now in a bowl we will take fish and put prepared chutney over it and mix well and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will keep the banana leaves on a gas for a while so that they become soft and they don't tear and it will be easy for us to fold them. Now we will apply little oil on banana leaf and keep the fish piece which is already applied with chutney in the center and fold it from all the sides. Tie it with a string of thread so that it does not open. Like this we will prepare all the fish pieces. Now all fish pieces are ready to steam. We need to steam fish pieces on one side at least for 10 minutes. Now we will change the side and steam again for 10 minutes. Healthy and delicious Patrani Machi is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.